Number 5 in the CCoE Cloud Cost Optimization Experts series from opITmise. We only pay for what we use. A misconception is that you only pay for what you use in the cloud. In reality, the majority of cloud services are charged on the basis that you pay for what you request, even if you don't use the services. Whilst you can purchase in smaller units in the cloud than you can on premises, without continuous optimization, you are likely to be making lots of inefficient small purchases. Let's take Acme application as an example. To run an application, you need to deploy IaaS resources in the cloud. IaaS resources are server, network, and storage. Servers will include CPU and RAM. Network will include network and storage bandwidth. In cloud environments, server and network are combined and called compute. They will then plug into storage, which could either be performant or capacity based. In AWS, there are over 650 options for compute available to customers, and in order to simplify the choices available, organizations tend to select a small number of compute options to use as their standards. This is known as t-shirt sizing. When selecting compute options, each machine type will offer its own selection of CPU, RAM, and network. The table to the left provides an example of t-shirt sizing using the M7G range of compute in AWS. Acme application has the requirements shown in the blue box. Therefore, a small t-shirt size is too small in every respect. From a network perspective, only the XXL provides enough storage bandwidth. The right size from a CPU and RAM perspective is the medium machine type. Large, extra large, and XXL all have inflated specifications. However, the only selection that can be made is XXL, which is over provisioning everything other than the storage bandwidth. So, if we understand that XXL has been selected as the compute for Acme application, the way Acme application is licensed is based on the number of CPUs that are being used. The blue boxes restate the application requirement and the resources provided on the XXL VM. The third blue box shows the delta between the requirement and what has been provisioned. The licensing overhead then for compute is shown to be £56,000 per year. Customers having to license 64 CPUs when the application actually only requires 8 CPUs to run performantly. Therefore, you're over-provisioning 56 licenses with a cost of £1,000 each. This is just one example of how people provision inefficiently in the cloud through the use of simplification. More will be explored in later series. For more information, please go to opITmise.com/CCoE.